Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new weekly trading ideas video. What you see before you is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. And the first trading idea is going to be on the ES, which is futures of the Standard & Poor's 500 index. So this is the ES 30-minute time frame, and I want to talk about a newly formed support which is in here, and it formed at 51.14. This one is based on a volume profile setup, which is called the trend setup. So if you look into that trend area here, this one, then what you want to see is a significant volume bump. In this case, the volume bump is not that huge, but what adds strength to that heavy volume zone is this strong buying activity that starts from that heavy volume zone. So that adds strength to that heavy volume cluster, and it is telling us that buyers were building up their long positions in here in this rotation, and then the buyers from here pushed the price aggressively upwards on Friday in this aggressive up move. So this is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. And I think that if there's a pullback to this place, I think that there will be a reaction of the buyers who are active in this rotation and who started this aggressive up move, and those guys are likely to defend this place. So what we need to do now is just wait for the price to reach this zone and then take it from there. Alright, so that's the support on the ES. And let us move forward and let's check out another trading idea. And the next one is going to be on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So what you have before you is Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, 30-minute time frame. And in here, there's also very strong buying activity from Friday, this one. And if you use volume profile over Friday like this, then you can see that heavy volumes were accumulated here before the start of this strong buying activity. The level which I have here, the support, is at the beginning of that heavy volume zone, and it is at 0.8996. And that heavy volume zone, the level is based on, represents a place where buyers were active, where buyers were adding to their long positions, and then the buyers from here manipulated the price into this strong buying activity. So when there's a pullback, I expect the buyers to become active and push the price upwards from there again. Now, I'm not saying that there needs to be a pullback. Maybe the price will just go sideways or up. I don't know. But if the price comes back, then chances are there will be a reaction. All right. So that's for the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. And let's now go for the next trading idea, which will be on the Euro, Australian dollar. So in here, you are looking also at a 30-minute time frame. And the level which I have here is also based on a strong trend activity, which started on Friday. In this case, it is a sell-off, this one. And the level which I have here, the resistance, is at 1.6325. If you use volume profile here, then it will show you that heavy volume zone was formed in this rotation. This means that sellers were building up their short positions in here, and then they pushed the price aggressively downwards. So it is likely that when the price makes a pullback here, the sellers will start defending their short positions, and they are likely to push the price downwards from there again. Now, what massively adds strength to that level, apart from this very aggressive bearish candle, is that this level is at weekly point of control. If you look in here, this is weekly volume profile from previous week, and the point of control from the previous week is in here. This is the weekly point of control, and it is at our level. So the heaviest volumes throughout the whole previous week were traded here at this level, and that massively adds strength to it. Alright, so when there's a pullback, if there's a pullback, chances are there'll be a nice reaction. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and if you click this button, which says trading course and tools, and scroll down a bit, then you can browse my courses. This is a volume profile pack, which will teach you everything about volume profile trading and provide you with my custom-made volume profile indicators. And below that, there's the order flow pack, which focuses on day trading with order flow, and this one will also provide you with my custom-made volume profile and also order flow indicators. If you are interested in getting both, then there is a special combo pack below, where you can get the volume profile pack as well as the order flow pack in one discounted bundle. Alright, so that's about that. Now, before I wrap the video up, I would like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made indicators for TradingView, that's a volume profile and VWAP indicators. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won those indicators. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate is leave a comment below this video that I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win those indicators. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!